going to be a Dollar Tree haul. Dollar Tree. I went to look for some essentials that I needed from there that I usually know that they're there. And then I got a few other items, which are valentines, because you get the chance to do it at the beginning of when they put it is when you get the good stuff, and they no longer bring it. This is what they bring, and that's it. And goodbye. I'm going to show you the foodie items that I got first so I can take them out because I'm in the kitchen. So I'm going to show you a ragu. This is not $1.25. This was $2.50. As you know, Dollar Tree also has $1 plus, and some areas where it's $3, $4, $5 more dollars. Ragu. This is for the Alfredo pasta. That was $2.50. The VO5 passion fruit smoothie with soy milk, moisturizer, and conditioner. I got this one's for my daughters. This was $1.25. Smells very nice. It also had strawberry, but this one went like super fast. I also got T5 all natural green tea. This is 100 tea bags with text and strings, just like that. And I got this one for my husband. He wants to be drinking tea. And then I also got these fruity grain bites. It has 4 pouches and there's strawberries. These are little snacks that I got for my daughters in the morning before they go to school to grab. These are crunchy rice rolls, original white rice, Harvest and Lee. This was all the items that I showed you besides the ragu are $1.25. These rice puffs, I've gotten those flatter ones that look like little tortillas from like the grocery store, and I got that one just to check. Oh my god, I almost forgot these. I should have put them in the freezer. Philly swirl sticks, 12 frozen ice pops. It has 45 calories. I got this for my daughters because they like ice cream. And then they are always eating ice cream, even if it's cold. 6 bars, Tribu Crunchy Oat and Honey Granola Bars. They look like this. There's 6 bars in there. I also got these for the snacks in the morning, and it's an easy thing to grab. The next things that I got are books. There were a whole bunch of books in the book area that I love. And I got the whole pack because I wanted to buy these kinds of books for my daughters from Amazon, but I don't know which ones to grab. And then these are easy, quick little books. First of all, I'm going to show you this one. What Would Harry Do? You know, Harry Potter. It's a hard book. I don't know how much it would have been somewhere else. And it's very nice. It has all of these inside, and I'm a fan. So it says be a phoenix, and it tells you what happened in the movie, and then what would you do. Stay humble. It says hear the know-it-all. You might just learn something. Hear the know-it-all. You must learn something. It's very nice. I think my daughter Luna will like it. Then I also got this one, Positively Purple, and it's a peace dragon tail. And this is from Flower Press. I thought it was beautiful. It's about, being different, staying positive. It's very cute. I got that one. Then I also got this one. They had a whole series of them. I had actually found 3 of them, but the other 2 I didn't find very nice. I wish I have gotten the one when I saw of Frida. This is Malala Yousafzai by Little People, Big Dreams. They have a whole bunch. Look, all of these, but I've only seen her the most in the Dollar Tree. That's $1.25. All of that. The Harry Potter book was $1.25 as well. And then I got this one. This one is cute. My Dad. They don't really have a lot of books about dads, and I thought this should be a cute book to give to Dad. It's a little foxy. Now this is like a series. It's like a set. Green, yellow, blue, and purple. This is my little book of Dear God letters. This one says thanks for things of love. It looks like this. A real friend is someone who takes time to listen to you. And do you really see everything? And the last one, we are all so different, all individual design. These are thoughts for every day, but look at it, it's very cute. It's kind of like this format, and it's nice to read, and it's got related, so I love them. I love them, and the pictures are very cute. The little designs are very cute. So I got look at this one. Looks very Valentine-ish. There's that. Okay, now I'm gonna show you this other stuff in this bag. I'm also gonna go to a baby shower, and that's what I went for, to get something for the baby shower gift. So I got these little thingies. Now this includes the little ribbon, and this part is the little card, so you can put to and from. I got the elephant. They had a fox and a giraffe. I have this gift bag, very big. They had many other designs. This also has a tag, to and from, but the theme is a bear for the baby shower. That's why I got that. Okay, then I got these Valentine cards. I got this one for the husband, and then this one for a friend, this one for my daughter, the oldest and the youngest, and then this one is also for a friend, co-worker. There is that. Now I saw these are the usual ones that they have, little Valentine cards like this. This is Princess, and this is the cards that they have, and they come with a bonus jumbo sticker. So it's the little card, and is a little card envelope, and the big sticker, the jumbo sticker. I got that for my daughter. Now these are a little bit different, these cards, because it looks like this. These are, oh, by the way, these were, how many were these? Oh, darn it, they're only 12. I didn't even notice there were only 12. Then there's this, Star Wars. Now this is a sticker activity set, and it has 24 sticker projects, 10 sticker sheets, and they look like this inside. Look at this. Can you see that? And this is, of course, Star Wars The Mandalorian. And I believe one set was this 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hopefully there's enough, or else I'm going to have to come back. And there were not that many. And look at, these are the princess ones as well. This one said, well, it also says 24 sticker projects. I'm going to have to open it and see. Then I found this one that it was cute. Turtles, the cards and tattoos, 24 cards, 24 tattoos. And they look like this. Look at this. This was the only one that I saw from this. I think there were superheroes as well, but look at this. This is so cute. Look at that. I think my daughter would have liked this one. Look at, and it has the tattoos there. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. And then there's a big one right in the center. That it was cute. Cute, 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 cute. Now, I'm going to have to see about this one, if these are 24. Then I also got the little... I opened this one. Look at this. This is how it looks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rolls, 6 of this. I want to show you if it's worth it for this one. Look at this. Right here in this thing, it says 24 sticker projects, 10 sticker sheets. And I only see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 designs. And each of these has 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 24 cards. This is your card. It has the to from, kind of from behind. And then it has the rolls here of the stickers. And they're individuals like this. It's like this. Look at this. See, it rolls up all the way. And I believe from this are only 10 sticker sheets. So not 24. Not 24 cards. So it depends. And from these ones have 12. Only 12 Valentine cards and 12 jumbo stickers. And let me... From this one, the 12 cards, it has your 12 envelopes. They look like this, very cute. Your 12 envelopes, your sticker sheet of hearts. Your cards are these. These ones are very thin. It almost looked like a paper, like a poster paper. And those are your designs. Like that. And that's how it looks from the back. And then this is the jumbo sticker. That's how it looks like this. So if you want to get these two, they look very cute because of their envelope. If you want to get these ones only have this. It has no envelope. This is the card. And then your sticker sheets. You can maybe cut in half, maybe, if to be all the 24. But yeah, I wanted to show you how they look from the inside with this one. And for like this one, it would be exactly the same, just like that one. Then I also got the little baggies, this design, and then they had this design, and then the original 24 like cards. Then I got these little bears. These were the 3 designs that they had. They look like this with the little hearts. I got these 2 for my daughter's teachers, and then I also got one for them for their little Christmas, like their little Valentine's gift. And then I also got these little pens that look like little balloon doggies. They were $1.25. And then I got these in case my daughter wants to give something to one of her friends. This one's a cute little unicorn. These are $1.25, by the way. This one that comes in 2 pieces, it says best friend. And then the last items that I went for, that were part of the reason I went for, are these mothballs. Para mothballs. They do work maybe a good 2 months and you don't see moths anywhere. But yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today to show you for the Valentine's Day haul kind of thing. Hopefully you liked it. Go and run and get these. These are very nice, as well as the Ninja Turtle ones. Very cute. All of your stuff you could find there now before it gets over. Yeah, and make sure you do look. There's more than 12. All right. Other than that, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. Click subscribe if you haven't done so. And if you're dead, thank you very much. And I will see you next time.